Welcome to day one of your Excel movie project. Over the course of the next 5 weeks, we're going to create an Excel spreadsheet listing out the top 5 movies of 2014. With that information, we're going to create a table and a graph. Now, I'm going to use the info for 1986. It's the best year ever. The first thing you need to do is go to your start menu and type in Excel. Under Programs, Microsoft Excel should appear. You're going to click on that, and this will pop up. You'll also need a website called Box Office Mojo. The link is on Moodle as well. Alright, your next step is to label the columns. Remember, these are columns. Think hot dog. In cell A1, you're going to type in movie name. Cell B1, opening date. C1, domestic sales. Oops. Tab over again. D1, you get international sales, which includes US sales. Tab over, type in budget. Tab over, type in number or hashtag of theaters, opening weekend. Now, you'll see that the text does not fit into the columns that well. So what you're going to have to do, you want to make the columns wider. So, in between the column letters, do you see where there's a line and the pointer changes? When that happens, double click. Do that for all the columns where there's text. Alright, we're going to make the budget column a little wider. Now, everything is pointing left, or left justified. What we want to do is center everything. So we're going to highlight the text, and then we're going to click on the two center buttons above alignment, and that'll center the text. Now, next thing we have to do is, on Box Office Mojo, go to yearly in the left-hand column under Box Office. You're going to scroll down to 2014, but remember, I'm using 1986. Now, the top 5 movies are Top Gun, Crocodile Dundee, Platoon, The Karate Kid, Karate Kid, Part 2, and Star Trek 4 for The Voyage Home. I cannot type apparently. Alright. Once again, we have to widen the column by double clicking. Alright. Now, we want to create borders. So you're going to highlight from A1 all the way to F6. And then you're going to click on the borders icon, the arrow by it, and click on all borders. Alright. That'll give you your borders. Now, click on the movie, and all the information you need should be right about here. Opening date was May 16th, 1986. You're just going to type in the date in numerical form. Alright. Domestic sales. Let's go lifetime. Remember, the rest of gross, same thing. So 179,800,601. International sales includes domestic plus foreign. Gives us 356, 830, 601. The budget, it's not there. That's okay though. For you, it will be. Just type in NA. And the number of theaters opening weekend. Let's go with the widest release. That's 1,531 theaters. So type in 1531. Actually, you're going to type in whatever you have. I'm typing in 1531. Now, if you want to get a little fancy, you can put some color in the top cells or the headers. But doing that, to do that, you want to highlight the top row, click on the paint bucket, a little arrow by it, and then pick a color. I'm going to go with green. I like green. You can do the exact same thing with the text. So right now the text is black. Let's go with, let's not do that. That's obnoxious. Oh, that's absolutely horrible. Alright, let's go with a light orange. Alright. You can change the cell color and the font color. Alright, so I'm going to fill in the rest of the information. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So, table's all filled out. That's going to be it for day one. Remember, you're using numbers for 2014. The table above is for 1986. So this should be simple enough for you guys. Open Excel, create the table, and get the information from boxofficemojo.com. Alright, I will see you day 2.